Want to build lasting wealth? Today, I'm sharing 5 smart habits millionaires swear by. Habits you can start right now to grow your wealth faster than ever. Millionaires don't get rich by spending every penny. They live below their means, avoiding lifestyle inflation, and focus on saving and investing the difference. Regular investing, no matter how small, builds wealth through compound interest. Set up automatic contributions to retirement accounts or index funds and watch your money grow. Wealthy people never stop learning. They read books, listen to podcasts, and seek mentors to sharpen their money mindset and investment skills. Building relationships with like-minded, successful people opens doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and advice that accelerates your wealth journey. Relying on one income is risky. Millionaires diversify by creating multiple streams, from businesses to real estate to investments, boosting both income and security. If you want more wealth-building tips, hit subscribe and join the WealthWise Media family. Start these habits today and watch your financial future transform.